Annoyed by Firefox opening automatically every time you start your computer? In this video, I'll show you how to stop Mozilla Firefox from doing that. If Firefox launches every time you boot into Windows and you want to disable that behavior, the fix is actually very simple. Let's go through it step by step. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Now click the menu icon in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings page, stay on the General section. Find the Startup area. Here you may see an option called Open Firefox automatically when your computer starts. Simply disable that option. Once the toggle is turned off, Firefox will no longer launch automatically when Windows starts. This can help reduce background activity and speed up your computer's startup process. The change is saved automatically, so there's no need to click a Save button. You can now close the Settings tab. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Firefox from opening automatically when your computer starts. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Windows tutorials, browser tips, and PC optimization guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.